Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 108. This particular one is a 1.2 PureTech Allure 5-door 5-speed manual in Tahoe Blue Metallic. The car's done just over 8,700 miles, as registered 2017 on a 67 plate. Now of course this comes with the balance of the manufacturer's 3 years 60,000 miles warranty. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at one London Road in Dorchester, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066, and I hope you enjoy the video.